Okay, I'm gonna show you this part. Okay, this is the big roof on the 12 by 14. All these screws are different. You're gonna hear the sweating. It's hot like this there, Fresno. So you're gonna use the 2.5 screws for the sides. And you grab the angle bracket. It's the angle cut like that. Both sides, so you can't go wrong whichever side. You have to match the board itself. So normally what I do is I line it up to one side. Come on this side, guys, get close. I line it up to this side. There's the flush right there. I put one screw in. You can probably zoom in and out too. So I make sure it's flush on the top and bottom. It's okay if it's a little gap. It's not that much. It's going to be covered by tin for the roof. So I put in both sides. Once I put in both sides, and you put in the ones that have the holes in the top. The holes in the boards go to the top of the board. So again, try to flush it to the top and back as much as possible. It is wood, so once I get that in there, those are secured. It makes the top big piece. So now I want my side piece, which makes my roof angle, and that's a different screw. That is 2 1/4 that you use. So it's this back here, number 8, 2 1/4. And I kind of just line it up, kind of like the angle it is. Lift it up if you're on a little elevated platform. Kind of make sure it's flush here. It's always good to try to maybe start one so that way it locks it, keeps it in place. The flush still looks pretty good. So I'll put that on. This other side. This is pretty simple trick. You have to sit there and measure and all that other crazy stuff. It's not crazy, but so now next is what I'll do is I'll take these screws and I'll secure this corner. Let me scoot this out. I'll come up here, secure one corner. Once I secure the corner to how it needs to be, I want it flat. Flush to the edge, flush to the top if you can. You should be able to drop a screw in. Drop a second screw in. Mind you, 12 by 16 have one screw, and 12 by everything else has 2 screws. So once I do that, I throw in my piece that runs across the top. It kind of gives me my square. can just move everything to how I need it. Kind of locks it in place. You see how that works? And then I'll take my 1.5 screws, which are I believe number 8. Yep, another 8. And I would just attach this top side. So the side that I'm connected right now will be the side behind me over here. I would do this side first. Make sure it's flush on the edge, flush down on the edge. Lock that in. I'll lock this one in too. Once I lock those in, I'll grab the rest of these parts and put them in place. Oh, excuse me. I'm trying to hurry up. Sorry. These side pieces right there. And then you don't have to fool around with that stuff too. So much easier doing it this way. See how I locked it in place just perfectly? There you get this one right here. And it should fit pretty good. Okay, it looks good. You want this level right here, so when you put this other piece on, it sits real good. So I just put a couple of different locations. So I can kind of keep that square. Again, making sure the outside's flush. Make sure this is flush. I'm only doing one side, as you noticed. The other side I had locked in. So that's the side I locked in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my way over to this other side. The screws again I need. Bag number 8, 2 1/4 inch. So I start with this corner here. Make sure it's flush to the edge and top. Once it's flush to the edge and top, I put my screw in. Screw that down real fast. I should have a pretty decent square. So I can adjust this one. The rest of the bottoms on the 12x12 takes those, number bag 8, 2.5 inch, 1/4 inch. The 12x16, it does the 2 1/4 on the corners, and then everything in the middle is going to be 2.5 inch. They switch it up on you. And it's going to be a hot sub. So I lock that in right there. And sometimes you get some knots in this wood, and it kind of makes it hard to drill your screws in. Just keep trying, back it up, reverse it forward, reverse it forward. After you have these all in, you can kind of button it up, make sure everything's sitting